Hello YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this duck icon right here. So credits go to Shane right here, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this. You can learn, practice. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to try and break down the process before we start. So this is one part, 2, 3, and 4 right here, and this little tiny circle is 5. So for the first part, you want to make a new layer. We're gonna go for our pencil, and then all we're gonna do is make sure you are on the shape mode and the fill is turned on. I'm using the color black because my background is white, so I have to be able to see it. I will start right here, so just click. We're just gonna click here and go down, drag like so. Try to follow along. You could slow this down as much as you want. Alright, I'm just gonna keep going. Drag this up. We're gonna go right here. This has to curve as well. Alright, anyways, I will double click right here. I will select this color. You want to click around here, okay? The color is FFEA46. Now I'm going to hit right click, go into blending options, inner shadow, and make your color black. And we're going to go for, let's try this out, shall we? Go for normal actually. Instead of black, let's go for orange, this orange color. For the angle, I'm going to go up, no, actually down here. Go for like this, okay? You can see what I'm going for. Like that. Okay. Seems fine. 70%. Hit OK. Okay, I'm gonna right click and hit copy layer cell. Now, actually no, just Control J, copy. Take the FX on the bottom one and down here. Right click and hit rasterize layer cell. The reason for this is because you see some parts don't have the shadow, right? So I'm gonna hit E for eraser, and now we have this layer with the effect separate, right? So now I could just erase off the effect here, as you can see, and also up here does not need the effect. There we go, as simple as that. Now for this big part, it's quite simple. Alright, we're just gonna take a new layer, right click and hit create mask, and take your ellipse tool, hold Alt, click on this orange color, and make a nice little ellipse here, like so. Place this across. We're gonna go right click, not right click, we're gonna go filter, blur, and hit Gaussian blur. Hit rasterize, and as you can see right here, we're just going for this. Right, looks pretty good. There's a small tiny glow, so new layer, right click, create mask, brush tool, color white, we're going down here. And we're just gonna go to overlay. Okay. Lower the opacity actually. Alright, this looks pretty good to me. Just one last thing. Alright, let's take everything first. Control G, Control J, Control E to make this all into one nice layer for us. I'm gonna go to inner shadow once more. I'm gonna go for -90. I'm gonna go up here. Alright, once we're happy with that, next let's make this little thing. Let me try to figure out how we should make this. Let's see. Okay, let's go a new layer. We can take the ellipse tool and make the shape. Take this color, new layer, right click, create mask. Take, paint a nice little shadow here. We could also make a layer underneath, and we can also paint a shadow here as well. Like so, and also on top. So paint some highlights here on a new layer, obviously. Here we go. go for overlay mode. Okay, so this. Let's make this all into a layer. Let's group this up and place it right here. Okay, now take your pencil. I'm gonna go back and just trace this shape. Like so. Here and boom. There we go. Okay, so orange. I'm gonna go for double emboss. There, right click, create mask. I'm gonna go for a shadow here. And I think that is it for that. And for the eyes, just so all, select the color, make an ellipse. Place it here, Control J to copy the ellipse. Click on the white, Control T, and simply resize. And this little part is very easy. Just make a new layer, ellipse tool, select the orange, go for this. We're gonna go into blending options. You're gonna go for an auto glow. Make the color white and mode overlay. Actually, not a drop shadow. What was I thinking? For soft light. Alright, and for this nice touch of glow, it is quite simple to achieve. Let's take everything and group all this up first. So we have this in a group, and to make that nice little glow effect that you see right here, you could just do a drop shadow, mode normal, select this nice orange color, go for change the angle, boom, increase the size. Opacity can be like 45 or so. And that is going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it was kind of quick, but I am actually trying to get to sleep. So, yeah. Yeah, I hope this video helps you. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.